Sounds like I'm most likely dealing with the capacitor here. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, that thing is shot. I mean, I'm gonna test that one. That one is bubbled up. What do we got here? 67.5. Oh, wow. Alright, we're gonna throw a turbo. This will go up to 60, so we have 25, 20, which is 45, 55, and then we'll jump into another 5. So that gives us our 60 on the compressor, and then we have another 5 and a 2.5 to give us a 7.5 for our fan. It'll be just enough, so we're gonna get the jumpers on there and install her. I think we'll be good. So it's a funny looking one, but it'll get us to where we gotta get, where we gotta go. So I mean, that's pretty much maxed out there. We got 60. These are all jumped to make up our 60 for the compressor, and then we have our 5 to 2.5 for our fan. So it's definitely a funny looking one, but it's better than not having AC. So let's go. I think this will work. That was being a pain. Alright. So we have our common off of the contactor. That yellow wire comes up. Basically, this goes in the center terminal. There we go. It's a little tough to film and do at the same time. We have our fan, which is going to go to our 7.5 over here. Bam. And our compressor wire, which is going to go to our 60. So there's our capacitor in there. We're going to power up, and I think we should be golden. It's running. Compressor's running. I think it's not 22, but I can't tell. Clean.